Welcome back to Health First. Today, we'll uncover the hidden health risks in one of the most popular and widely used foods, potatoes. While potatoes are a staple in diets worldwide and provide essential nutrients, pairing them with certain foods could turn a healthy meal into a potential health risk. We'll take a look at the top 10 food combinations to avoid with potatoes, shedding light on the effects of these combinations on your body. From digestive issues to cardiovascular health concerns, you'll gain insights into making your meals healthier and safer. If you're ready to optimize your diet and learn more about making smart food choices, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Let's dive in with our first combination. 1. Never pair potatoes with bananas. Mistake number 10. Bananas and potatoes seem harmless when eaten together, but they can create an uncomfortable digestive situation due to their differing digestive requirements. Bananas digest rapidly in the stomach, whereas potatoes, which are high in starch, require more time for proper breakdown. When these foods are consumed together, the bananas may ferment in the stomach, leading to gas, bloating, and even cramps. Bananas, rich in potassium, may also contribute to an imbalance when combined with the high starch content in potatoes. This combination can disrupt blood sugar levels and lead to feelings of sluggishness or energy crashes. Nutrition experts recommend enjoying bananas as a snack on their own or pairing them with foods that digest similarly, like yogurt or oatmeal. To avoid discomfort, separate the consumption of bananas and potatoes into different meals. This way, each food can be digested optimally without causing digestive issues. 2. Avoid eating potatoes with tomatoes. Mistake number 9. Potatoes and tomatoes are often combined in dishes worldwide, from stews to casseroles. However, tomatoes are acidic, while potatoes are more alkaline. When acidic and starchy foods mix, it can lead to heartburn or acid reflux, especially in individuals with sensitive stomachs. Tomatoes can also interfere with the digestive enzymes required to break down the starches in potatoes. This conflict may lead to indigestion, bloating, and nutrient malabsorption as the stomach struggles to balance the acidity and starch content. For an easier on-the-stomach meal, consider swapping out tomatoes for less acidic vegetables like carrots or zucchini when cooking with potatoes. Alternatively, add tomatoes to a non-starchy base, allowing you to enjoy both foods without the digestive distress. 3. Don't pair potatoes with citrus fruits. Mistake number 8. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, or grapefruits contain high levels of citric acid, which can disrupt the digestion of starchy foods like potatoes. When consumed together, this acid can delay the digestion of the starch, leading to bloating, gas, and an overall uncomfortable digestive experience. Citrus fruits also contain simple sugars that digest faster than the complex carbs in potatoes. This imbalance can cause rapid fermentation in the stomach, leading to gas buildup. Additionally, the citric acid may lower the pH of the digestive environment, hindering the breakdown of starches. To avoid these issues, consume citrus fruits as a refreshing snack or dessert after a meal that doesn't include potatoes. This way, you can still enjoy the nutritional benefits of both foods without digestive drawbacks. 4. Skip pairing potatoes with eggs. Mistake number 7. Potatoes and eggs are often served together, especially in breakfast dishes like hash browns with scrambled eggs. However, combining starchy foods like potatoes with protein-rich eggs can slow down digestion significantly, leading to feelings of heaviness and sluggishness. The body requires different enzymes to digest protein and starch, which can interfere with each other when both are consumed in the same meal. This mismatch may cause incomplete digestion, resulting in gas, bloating, and possible nutrient malabsorption. To make your breakfast lighter and easier on digestion, try combining eggs with leafy greens or whole grains instead of potatoes. And for potato-based dishes, consider pairing them with vegetables for a more balanced meal. 5. Avoid combining potatoes with cheese. Mistake number 6. Potatoes and cheese are a classic comfort food duo, often found in casseroles, loaded fries, or potato gratin. However, cheese is high in fat, which can slow down the digestion of starchy foods like potatoes. This combination can lead to a heavy feeling, bloating, and even an energy crash. When starchy foods and fats are combined, it can also cause a spike in blood sugar followed by a rapid drop, leading to hunger shortly after eating. Cheese, while delicious, is better suited for meals that don't contain high-starch ingredients like potatoes. If you're craving a cheesy dish, consider using it with low-carb vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower. For potato dishes, opt for lighter seasonings or a sprinkle of herbs to enhance flavor without the heaviness. 6. Avoid potatoes with leafy greens. Mistake number 5. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are incredibly healthy, but they may not be the best pairing with potatoes. Leafy greens are rich in oxalates, which can interfere with the absorption of minerals like calcium and iron in potatoes. Additionally, oxalates may bind with the calcium in potatoes, creating calcium oxalate, which can be difficult for the body to absorb and may even lead to kidney stones in people prone to them. This combination can also slow digestion, as leafy greens are high in fiber, which may conflict with the digestion process for starchy foods. Fiber requires more digestive energy and slows gastric emptying, meaning a meal of leafy greens and potatoes can lead to a feeling of heaviness or sluggish digestion. To enjoy both potatoes and leafy greens without the downside, try separating them into different meals. Consider pairing leafy greens with lean protein, which balances digestion, while potatoes can be paired with less fibrous vegetables. 7. Don't eat potatoes with pickled foods. Mistake number 4. Pickled foods like sauerkraut, pickles, and kimchi are full of beneficial probiotics, but they are also acidic and can disrupt the digestion of starches in potatoes. The acidity in pickled foods may interfere with the enzymes needed to digest starch, leading to bloating, gas, and even nutrient loss. Potatoes require a more neutral pH to break down efficiently, while pickled foods bring acidity to the stomach, making it harder to digest starchy foods properly. This mismatch may lead to discomfort and potentially reduce the gut's ability to absorb nutrients from both the potatoes and the pickled items. If you enjoy pickled foods, try pairing them with protein-rich meals or non-starchy vegetables. This way, you can still get the probiotic benefits without interfering with the digestion of starchy foods like potatoes. 8. Skip combining potatoes with sugary foods. Mistake number 3. Sugary foods such as cakes, cookies, or sweetened drinks may seem harmless when consumed with potatoes, but they create a challenging environment for digestion. High sugar foods can spike blood glucose levels rapidly, while potatoes, being high in complex carbs, release sugar more slowly. The combination of both can cause a rapid rise in blood sugar followed by an equally rapid drop, resulting in a cycle of hunger and cravings. This combination can also lead to digestive discomfort, as sugar can ferment in the stomach when not properly digested, causing gas and bloating. When potatoes are paired with sugary foods, the body struggles to manage both sources of glucose efficiently, leading to a blood sugar roller coaster that leaves you tired and hungry shortly after eating. To keep energy levels stable, try keeping sugary foods as occasional treats separate from potato-based meals. Alternatively, combine potatoes with protein and healthy fats for a more balanced, satisfying meal. 9. Avoid potatoes with fatty meats. Mistake number 2. Fatty meats like bacon, sausage, or fatty cuts of steak may be delicious with potatoes, but this combination can be hard on digestion and overall heart health. Potatoes digest slowly, and when combined with high-fat meats, digestion can be significantly delayed, leading to heaviness and bloating. Fatty meats are high in saturated fats, which may spike cholesterol levels when consumed frequently. Combining them with starchy potatoes can elevate blood sugar while causing a fatty buildup, which is tough for the cardiovascular system. Over time, meals heavy in starches and fats can contribute to weight gain, elevated cholesterol, and potential heart issues. If you enjoy meat with potatoes, consider choosing leaner cuts like chicken breast or fish, which are easier to digest alongside potatoes. This combination allows you to enjoy both foods while keeping the meal healthier. 10. Never eat potatoes with processed cheese. Mistake number 1. Processed cheese, often used in dishes like loaded potatoes, casseroles, and fries, is loaded with sodium and unhealthy fats. This combination with potatoes can increase blood pressure, stress on the heart, and digestive discomfort. Processed cheese also tends to have additives and preservatives that the body struggles to break down when combined with starchy foods. Processed cheese products are typically low in nutrients and high in additives like sodium and artificial flavorings. When paired with potatoes, this combination creates a meal that's hard to digest and has few health benefits. For a healthier option, choose real cheese, like aged cheddar or feta, in moderation and opt for baked or roasted potatoes over fried versions. This way, you can enjoy a satisfying and balanced meal without the downsides of highly processed ingredients. Conclusion and final thoughts. Potatoes can be an incredibly versatile and healthy part of your diet when prepared and paired thoughtfully. By avoiding risky combinations and incorporating them with the right foods, you can maximize their benefits without compromising on taste or health. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Health First for more practical tips on healthy eating. Share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these insights. Together, let's make health-conscious food choices that support a vibrant, energetic life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.